All right. So as I mentioned earlier, Dovetail is an always-on customer intelligence platform. We're built for enterprise, but we have a lot of startups that use us. So you can start for free. I flashed a QR code earlier. You can get access to our premium customer intelligence suite. So what this looks like is you're creating a central hub to ingest customer calls, high volume data, support tickets. Think of any type of data related to who you serve. This can be applied to market research, but also getting a deeper understanding of your user base. So you start with, and you can organize all your data in these convenient folders. Who loves folders? Round of applause. So in this use case, we're working for a fictitious music streaming app called Zotify. And the team has done a bunch of research, and they had a bunch of conversations with their users. They've loaded the data. You can summarize individual calls. It's automatically transcribed in multiple languages. Get key summary at the data object level. You can also suggest highlights to give you an overview of what are the top takeaways from specific calls. And then accept those highlights, and from high volume data, generate actionable insights that you can share with your team. So this is all generated with AI. You can also make it pretty by updating the visual when you share with the team. And so really what this allows you to do is query all types of customer data in a centralized hub, leveraging almost like creating a small language model on your own customer data. So going back to the toolbar here, you can also track at the contact level. So if you've spoken with with folks multiple times, you can generate summaries of all of those conversations across all of those sources. So yay, all the data's there. You spoke with Alex. Maybe Alex submitted a support ticket. Maybe Alex is featured in a report. It's all consolidated. Let's say you have high volume data that you've ingested through channels. This is NPS data that's been imported. You can summarize and get a sense of different AI clustered themes that are tracked over a timeline. Get a summary, high level, but also go back to the source and generate an insight based on those themes across different data sources. What's great is Dovetail is also leaning into natural language interfaces, so you can chat with your own data that you own and ask your customers questions about what to do next. So that is demoed here. So this is now an interface where you are chatting across all of the data that you've ingested into Dovetail to understand, for example, what are people saying about offline music experiences? And you can keep the conversation going. This experience also integrates where your team is working, so you can have teams query Dovetail directly in Slack, Microsoft Teams, and anywhere where work happens, so everyone has a single source of truth and the voice of the customer is accessible to all. Do you feel like there are silos even at companies that you've worked at? Raise your hand. Yeah, have you experienced silos? Well, this ends that. So try it out today. I'm so excited I had the opportunity to chat with you all. I'll be around for questions, and I appreciate it.